Hello Wednesday with Erica and Jeffrey.
Hello Canada, hello Toronto School of Management. Here we are again for another episode of Hello Wednesday with Erica and Jeffrey.
Hi Jeffrey, I heard it's already autumn there in Toronto. Oh my, I can't wait to see the picturesque sceneries there.
You are exactly right. I can see the color of the leaves of trees changing from green to yellow to orange. It's super nice.
I really can't wait to be back, to wear my coats and boots, enjoy the cool and chilly weather while drinking my cup of tea. Very dramatic.
Hope to meet you in person soon, but we must still maintain the physical distancing.
But before we move on, we would like to invite everyone to vote for Toronto School of Management as we have been nominated as the Star Reader's Choice in category for Professional Services Adult Education.
Voting is still open until October 11, 2020. That is why we can vote on thestar.com from September 12 to October 11, 2020. See the link below where you can vote for TSoM. And also, please do watch our last Wednesday episode to know the steps on how to vote. Your vote is important.
Thank you everyone for supporting TSoM. Anyway, what's in it for everyone today in our Hello Wednesday episode?
Today, we're going to interview students to hear their thoughts about the in-person class learning.
Yes, in our last episode, you already shared your experience, Jeffrey, right? Now, it's going to be the students' turn to share theirs. Hi Kelly, how are you today? Can you introduce yourself to our viewers and tell them your experience with the in-class learning?
Erica, my name is Chang Boy. I am taking diploma in fundamentals in hospitality and tourism. I want to share my experience in person classes. What I like most about in-person classes is I can meet my instructors and my classmates in person because I haven't seen them a long time since pandemic started. Honestly, I don't know about you guys, but for me, studying in class in person is a really good way to remember the materials quickly and efficiently.
What about you, Nikki? How are you doing? Can you introduce yourself to our viewers as well and tell them your thoughts about in-class learning?
Thank you so much, Erica. Hey guys, this is Lavinder Kaur and I'm from India and I'm studying Diploma in Business Management Co-op. So what I like most about in-class learning is the study atmosphere around me because it really helps me to focus on the study and also the social interaction. I get to interact with my classmates and it's really fun.
Thank you for sharing your experiences. Now, let's hear it from Aviv.
Thanks, Erica. Hey, I'm Aviv from Israel and I'm studying the Diploma in Business Management. I want to share with you my experience in the in-class learning, and what I like most about it is to meet with my friends and my teachers.
Great! With all the sharing that you guys did, I can't wait to be back in school. Jeffrey, what about there?
Thanks, Erica. We also have students here who would like to share their thoughts and experience. Hello, how are you today? Can you introduce yourself to our viewers and tell them your experience with the in-person class learning?
Hi, I'm Muaz Jod. I'm taking Business Administration Co-op. The thing I miss about in-person class is I get to see my friends every day, the students, the professors. We get to interact a lot. There's a lot of interaction going on in the cafeteria, in the classes, pop-up quizzes, everything that happens in the class. I myself personally like to attend in-person classes because I find it more interesting and more grasping the way the professors teach here than online classes. So I would suggest that, according to me, I like in-person classes a lot more.
Hello, Michael. How are you today? Can you introduce yourself to our viewers and tell them your experience with the in-person class learning?
Hi, Jeffrey. My name is Michael and I'm taking a diploma in hospitality and tourism management. Well, my experience for the in-class learning is that I was so excited and eager to go back to school, and I miss my friends as well as seeing the rest of the schoolmates. Plus, I get to go to downtown once more to see and go shopping.
That's it! We heard it from our very own students. I guess they were very excited and really missed to be back in school.
I believe so. And as for me, just imagining going to school, carrying my backpack and laptop bag, rushing out of the subway for me not to be late, and grabbing my cup of hot coffee really excites me. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to be back. I miss Toronto, but most of all, I miss my TSoM family.
I know how you feel. I hope you'll be here soon.
I really hope too. You might not know, I may be there in our next episode of Hello Wednesday. Yahoo!
Great! That's it for this week's episode. See you again on our next episode of Hello Wednesday with Erica and Jeffrey. Bye!
Bye everyone! Sending love from Canada and the Philippines. Watch the next episode as I share my quarantine experience.
Hello Wednesday with Erica and Jeffrey.